Ciao a tutti! Yum! This bruschetta with oven-roasted tomatoes is one of my absolutely favorite dish. I could eat them every day. Place the chopped tomatoes, garlic and capers on a baking sheet and marinate with the oil, salt, maple syrup and the herbs. Put the baking sheet into the oven and let the tomatoes roast for about 30 to 40 minutes. Cut the Italian house bread into slices and fry them on both sides with a little olive oil until golden brown. Spread the bread with some fresh creamy goat cheese and garnish with the tomatoes and some basil. Enjoy the bruschetta while it is still warm, perfect for an aperitivo with a good glass of chilled white wine.